up so early?
Can't sleep.
You should take something then.
I'm not taking any fucking medication.
You know why you can't sleep. Because of Forrest.
I dream about him sometimes. Nightmares, actually. It's dark. And the street lights are out. And I'm all alone. And it's eerie. Like horror movie eerie. Here I am, standing over him. But it's not him. It's this vague, faceless figure, labeled Forrest by my fucked up brain. And this crimson-colored blood just drips off my hands and onto my arms. And I'm yelling at him, wake up. Wake the fuck up. Because I feel like there's something coming after us. And then this gust of wind comes and almost knocks me over. And then my hands get heavy. And I look into it. And it's a gun. The biggest, most powerful gun you've ever seen. And I realized I killed him. I killed Forrest. Then I wake up, come out here and smoke. 3 months in the same dream. Sometimes he's alive. Sometimes it's morning and not night. Usually, I go check on Sebastian. And I take him out his crib and I lay him next to me. And I watch him sleep. Because if he's okay, then I'm okay, you know? And he's okay. He's the most okay out of all of us.
Does Asia know about the dream?
Obviously. I told her and my mother, but they just look at me like my head's wrapped up in tinfoil.
Well, it's a weird dream. You should go see a therapist or something. I mean, they can prescribe you. Me and Augustus take listen to Vanessa.
Does he?
Dreams will go away eventually. You just have to remember it's not real. That it only matters if you assign it meaning. You just ought to go see a doctor or something.
Jesus, Calvin. You got a fucking solution for everything. You should transfer. You should take something. You should go see someone. Or you should shut the fuck up. Because you don't know everything. And don't think you're the shit when you're really just filling some diversity quota, you smug bastard. You have no fucking idea what it's like. You haven't lived through it. You just got here. Everyone has moved on. It's almost fall. This shit happened in the summer. Fuck Forrest, right? He's old news. Now we have another boy to cry about. Every month, someone different. However, will they keep up with us? Fuck you, Calvin. Fuck you. You gonna fuck me too? Isn't that how you comfort people? Hi, my name is Cynthia D. Hilaire, and I'll be reading for Adriana.